It's Bonnie. Happy Thursday! I am back. Oh my goodness, you guys. So much going on today. Beautiful day, by the way. Bath and Body Works 12.95 candle sale. This is a big one. We're going to talk about the candle sale. Also, Kringle has launched their Christmas collection today. Oh my goodness. This is pomegranate punch. I like this one. Head over there, use the code Queen Geeks. I am an ambassador. You get 15% off at Kringle. I will put the link below for that. And oh my gosh, I just got a copy of my new fall body care and candle inventory book. It's funny, I went with a matte cover this time for fall. So usually I go with the glossy cover. I kind of like the matte one. This feels like really soft. This is the back of the book. And what it is you can inventory, it's like a scent journal for fall. So you can inventory all of your fall candles, hand soap, and then there's an area to talk about your favorite scents, pumpkin scents. These are fall floral scents, bakery. I've got fruity, all kinds of different fall drink scents. You know how we got all the sweet whiskey. So this is now on Amazon. I will put the link below to that. I think this is my 6th or 7th one. I have more in the works. I love doing these books. A lot of people have asked for a hand soap book, so I think I'm gonna do a hand soap one. So candle sale today. I placed my order. Let me do the math here. I did have a 25% off coupon, $12.95 minus 25%. So I got these for $9.71. That's Candle Day. I'm excited. And they added 2 new candles today. I knew these were coming. The first one is called Radiant Red Maple. These are the limited edition for fall. Radiant Red Maple, I'll put a screenshot up, is crisp Macintosh apple, smoky woods, and a hint of toasted marshmallow. I have no idea what this one's going to be about. And then the second one is pumpkin spice latte and twisted peppermint. I don't know if I'm going to like it. I may love it. Absolutely love it. I have no idea. It is pumpkin pie spice, freshly brewed espresso, and cool peppermint. So we shall see. But those are brand new. They also have those limited edition signature ones in the Vetiver Glow, Strawberry Pound Cake, Oceanside Palm. I got the Strawberry Pound Cake just because you guys know how much I love that. And they also have Tiki Beach. Also, all of the, the fall candles. This is the brand new collection. Blueberry Maple Pancakes. Always a winner. A lot of people have been wanting this. It's funny, the blue in this one is a little bit, I don't know, less brilliant blue. Usually it's like blue. They toned it down a little. Are my wicks crooked too? I feel like the wicks are really like off on this one. They just look really crooked. Smells amazing though. I always love the blueberry maple pancakes, although it's a little on the sweet side. I use it a couple times. Check it out. Got my tea ready this morning too. I've been hearing that the Halloween candles too are starting to sell out. This is the one that I love. Oh my gosh, this one's still available. Pumpkin carving. This is probably one of the most beautiful jars from Bath and Body Works I have ever seen. It's funny because when I first saw it, I didn't like it. But then when I got it, I'm like, oh my gosh, it's stunning. It's like a black lacquer. Very shiny, very pretty. Fireside. Fireside, always a good one for Christmas. So this collection, Autumn Chai. I still need to review all of these. Autumn Chai smells really good to me. And then, here, let me look at the Halloween. I'm just trying to see if I can find these. Like the, where did it go? Oh, Apple Macchiato. This is always a good one. I like this one. A lot of people think this is like pumpkin apple. It's very similar, but Apple Macchiato is good. I still need to review this one. This is Fall Forest. I kind of like Fall Forest. It's a little fresh, but I think it may work for me. So Fall Forest, let me look up those other Halloween candles. I think those might be sold out. I'm just going through the list. Oh my gosh, yeah, I feel like there's not a lot left with fall. What is going on? Seriously. It's interesting. Is this all of the fall candles? Okay, do we have a Scooby-Doo mystery? No, 127 candles. I'm like, is there a Scooby-Doo mystery going on? Girlfriend, Vampire Blood. I'm seeing those. I think Enchanted, not Enchanted, Everlasting. Like Enchanted Candy Potion, Everlasting Magic. Um, yep, gone, not there. Oh my goodness, you guys. So hopefully your store has some of those Halloween candles. Other good choices though, like Fall Farmhouse, Cranberry Woods, Marshmallow Fireside, Cinnamon Spice Vanilla, Pumpkin Pecan Waffles. Oh, Freshly Brewed Coffee. That's a definite, like, total win. What do I have on my shelf here still? Oh, Cinnamon Stick. Cinnamon Stick is amazing. I kind of consider it more of like a Christmas candle, but you can't go wrong with Cinnamon Stick. What do I have back here? Oh, Warm Apple Pie. This is I just reviewed this one yesterday. I don't know why this one is up here. But check it out. This is the one from a couple years ago when they did the fall one. I'm just looking at my shelves. I'm still kind of rearranging my shelves a little bit. Oh, here is Ghoul Friend. Oh my gosh. I still have to review this one. I love Ghoul Friend. Now these wicks are like really far out. I'm just noticing wicks today, you guys. Oh my gosh. Ghoul Friend. Absolutely amazing. So yeah, lots of selections out there. $12.95 is definitely a good price because it's not a buy two get two, buy one get one event. So if you just want one candle for $12.95, it's a good deal. I suggest going into the store though. Although if you do, let's see, what's the code? Gotta get rid of this. The code is fall deals. You get free shipping on 50. So it's still a good deal, but better to go in the store. Anyway, yay for a candle sale. That's exciting this weekend. I'm excited that we're having a candle sale. I might go into the store and pick a few more up. I did do my online order though. I don't know if the limited edition ones are going to be in the store or if they're just, here, wait, let me sort my new again. I don't know why I got all messed up here. Let's see. Oh, no, it just says limited edition. It doesn't say whether or not they're online. So you might find those in your store. Anyway, they are on the way. They better not cancel my order. Let me know what you're shopping for today. I will see you later. Bye-bye.